So this is a day that everyone's been waiting for, but I hope everyone had a really good Christmas. I am currently, if I'd have ovulated on the day I thought I did, I am 10 DPO today. If I didn't ovulate on the day that I thought I did, then we may have, you know, a few attempts at this. So we are testing today with a first response. These are meant to be the most sensitive, so I'm just going to dip it for 5 seconds and then we will see what it says. I've had so much bloating at the moment. My symptoms this month have been bloating, being grumpy, just quite a lot of symptoms to be honest, tiredness. Right, I think that will do. Ink's running across. Do you guys see anything? It's only been about 20 seconds so far. No, I can't see anything at the moment. So another symptom I've had is a lot of like random cramping throughout the day, and I want you guys to let me know down below if you ever had this kind of like random sporadic cramping, like really gentle cramps though, not like anything too intense. No, I think this is a negative. I'm going to be testing again tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day, but I only have a certain amount of these left. I've only got 2 left, so I'm hoping my delivery comes through for my other pregnancy test so I can use the cheaper ones, because at the moment I've only got first response. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is negative today. So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, comment anything down below, subscribe to me for free as always, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies!